Hey beautifuls, I'm Beautiful Diva and welcome back to my page. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the like button and press the bell for notifications when I upload any videos. Okay, so first let me tell you that this video is sponsored by YIROO here. This is the box that it comes in. This is the front. It has all the information on it about YIROO, and Amazon is where this wig comes from. This is what the back looks like. It's telling you like all the stuff, how to maintain the wig, and so on and so on and so on. So just in case you didn't see, the link to get to the YIROO here is www.amazon.com. Okay, let's get into this wig. So this beautiful, awesome curly wig that I am wearing, again, is made by YIROO. It is a lace front that go from ear to ear. It's about that much lace. It's not like a full lace, but you know, it's enough. And it also comes with a parting right here, if you could see it. I don't know if you can see, but it's parted a nice little about this much parting in there for a side part. You could turn your wig from side to side, either way you want your part to be on. This is an afro curly wig. When I took it out of the box, it came out nice and fluffy, just like this lady. So if you like your hair fluffy, you know, for that all natural look, then this is the wig for you. No spraying it with water and all that stuff, you know, to maintain it and be delicate with it, because you know, eventually it will nap the fuck up. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like from the side when I took it out, and this is what it looks like from the back. When I took it out the box, it immediately like came, you know, I took all the wrap and it was just wrapped up how they all come, with the little stuffed paper in the middle of it and the net over. So you take the net off, and once you shake it out, it just automatically come out to this beautiful afro. This is how the curls look at the ends. And let me see if I can get one. And this is how defined the curls are in this wig. This wig is beautiful. It did have a little factory smell when it came out. It smelled like doll baby hair or pepper or some shit. I'm not sure. Since I had it out the box and the air done hit it, it calmed down. It doesn't smell like that anymore. So the smell will eventually calm down and go away. I cut the lace off before I started the video, so that's why you don't see the lace, but it is lace under there. I don't want to show y'all my afro under here, y'all. It's hideous. This is what the lace looks like under there. And it has 3 combs in it, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. And it's on Amazon again, and it's $34.99. If you pick free shipping, you'll just only pay $34.99 or whatever. But if you're thirsty to get your wig, cause it's cute, then you can go ahead and pay for it to come. This wig, it feels light on your head. You know, it's not hot or anything. I don't feel hot with it on. I don't feel like I have a lot of hair on my head. And I love the curl. The curl is beautiful. You know, again, like I said, this is synthetic hair, so you know, be careful with it. Don't wet it up and don't mistreat it. You take it off, put it back inside the packaging, and wrap it back up with the little net and put it back in your box, and you should be good with this wig. But there's no need to fluff it out. You don't brush or comb this wig. Do not do that, or else you will mess up the curl in it. This is only to be fingered because it's a synthetic wig, and you know, it's cute. This wig is, what this wig is? This is a concert wig. You know, I like to give events for the wigs I wear. So this wig is something you will wear to a concert with a nice little white pantsuit, or a dinner party or something like that. You can wear a cute little pantsuit with your cute little Louboutins or whatever, and your Chanel bag, and have your curly wig on, and just be giving bitches life. You already know. You already know how us beautiful women do it. We give bitches life all the way, period. Okay, so this is cute. I wouldn't do anything to this wig. Like, I like the way it's falling on me. I like the fullness of it. For me, it's not too full and it's not too short. So if you like this here, go on Amazon and check them out. YIROO here. They the bomb. See ya.